hole was the smallest in 35 years last November, showing the success of efforts to cut the production of the harmful pollutants. The ozone layer protects the Earth from harmful levels of ultraviolet radiation from the Sun. Over the last month, a new hole in the ozone layer has started to form over the Arctic. The ozone layer over the North Pole has been depleted plenty of times in the past, but this time around, extreme weather and atmospheric conditions have led to a far greater depletion than normal, according to a European Space Agency press release. While the ESA scientists expect it to close up later this month, it's a troubling update on the planet's environmental health. The hole, which has been tracked from space and the ground over the past few days, has reached record dimensions, but it is not expected to pose any danger to humans unless it moves further south. If it extends further south over populated areas such as southern Greenland, people would be at increased risk of sunburns. However, on current trends, the hole is expected to disappear altogether in a few weeks. This year's Arctic ozone hole is bigger than normal because of a typically cold temperature in the stratosphere that helped trap a whirlpool of icy wind called a polar vortex in the area that dispersed ozone more than usual. The presence of ozone-destroying chemicals such as chlorine and bromine in the atmosphere from human activities also caused the hole to form. Still, even this unusually large hole in the ozone layer is considerably smaller than the more well-known hole over Antarctica, according to the ESA release. That one can grow to be as much as 25 million square kilometers, though it's been smaller lately. And the new Arctic hole is less than 1 million square kilometers in size. It remains unclear what to expect in the coming years. While the larger than average ozone hole was caused in part by extreme weather, which has been linked to climate change, it's too soon to declare that the Arctic zone depletion will continue to get worse if climate change continues unchecked. But we do know that ozone depletion can give rise to extreme weather around the world, meaning increasing ozone depletion could have far-reaching implications down the road. The hole is not related to COVID-19 shutdowns that have drastically cut air pollution and reduced greenhouse gas emissions. It's too early to say whether the unusually stable Arctic polar vortex conditions are linked with the climate crisis or part of normal stratospheric weather variability.